How to fix YouTube error 503. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. It is very important to understand that this particular error on YouTube typically happens when YouTube servers are overloaded or your connection is unstable. So a few fixes for this is, first and foremost, you can simply try to refresh your internet and then try to refresh the page and see if that helps. If not, then you can also try to restart your device and restart your router and see if that helps, as these fixes temporary connection glitches. If not, it also could be that the YouTube server is down. So if YouTube is down right now, then you will simply have to wait for the server to work properly. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to YouTube and then tap on it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. You can then try to open YouTube and see if that helps, and if not, then force close the app by simply swiping up and exiting the app along with all the apps running in the background. Once force quitted, go ahead and try to restart and see if that helps. If not, then you can also try to delete and reinstall the YouTube application, as this will give the app a fresh restart. Also, if you are connected to any type of VPN services, then go ahead and disable the VPN services, as this might block the server connection sometimes. Also, make sure that your internet is working properly, and if you are connected to a very low or unstable internet, then your YouTube may not work properly. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube error 503. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.